Shout out to the Spartan GT bikers with big bellies. Let's ride, guys. Bro, why did I even join this ride? I'm wrecked. You got this, bro. Kaya no turning back now. I'm calling all Spartans to join our ride at Cardiac Hill. Bring your courage, your water, and your extra 2 hood. Oh no, what now? Oh. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Spartan GT, help me! I'm being chased by a jungle cat with attitude.
Oo, baha pero kailangan pumasok. May helmet ako pero wala akong pera.
It's a beautiful night for a ride. The moon is so bright.
Maaasahan talaga kita. May GT bike.
Woo!
Uy, mga ka-Spartan GT, parang mali ato tong trail na dinaanan ko.
Sir, is it true that you guys are strong climbers?
Oo naman, pero mas malakas akong magpahinga.
Uy, damit namin yan. Ibalik na yun, hayop kayo!
Nagle-level up ang ride pero ang bilbil level down. Sa bawat ahon may nawawalang tiyan. Isang paahon pa, baka magka-abs na ako.
Lolo, why are you still biking even at your age?
Because the bike doesn't complain. Unlike my tuhod, minsan may reklamo.
Kasama natin ngayon ang baha, pero tila hindi ito hadlang sa ilang matitibaw na riders.
Hurry, get more water. Woo, woo. Woo. We need all the buckets we can find.
Yung iba, upgrade ng bike, carbon frame, high-tech gear. Pero pag ahon, nauna pa ako.
Hala! Di ako yung nagnakaw ng tinapa! Level up ang cardio ko, salamat sa aso. Real Spartans, wait! No one left behind.
It's not about the gear. It's the heart that climbs.
Ang bagal mo. Akala ko ba Spartan ka?
Halika rito, Pekto! Nag-upgrade ka na naman ng bike mo!
Kuya Pekto, angas mo!
Ay grabe, yung bike naging robot. Ako si Bayani, tagapagtanggol ng bayan.
Sir, Goryo just called. He's on sick leave again, leg pain.
Okay lang yan, baka nagbike na naman si Goryo. At least, healthy living. Exercise yan. Pagpasok bukas, pahiram mo ng efficacent oil.